How to fix some keys not working on laptop? First step, clean the keyboard, turn off your laptop, disconnect the charger, hold the laptop at a slight angle, use compressed air to blow out dust and rebrush from between the keys. Gently clean around the affected key with a soft brush. Then move on with next step. Check if filter key is enabled. Click settings, click accessibility, scroll down, click keyboard settings. Make sure the sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys it should be in turn off mode. Make sure it. If it's turn on means you need to turn off it. This is an important settings. You need to turn off all the three keys. Close it and move on with next step. Update the keyboard drivers. For this you need to search for device manager. Click it. Scroll down and search for keyboard. Click it. Right click and update the driver. Once update complete after, close it and right click one more time. Click scan for hardware changes. After you need to restart your device. Once restarting after, move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click, click run as administrator and type the following text. SFC space / scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. It's entirely verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. And also once completed 100% it will shows which location and which file have corrupted. So be patient for some times. Successfully verified, there is no error. Exit it and restart your device. Thank you.